Hello, Tashtili. So we're at Jack Daniel Park. It's Saturday, so we just came here, just chilling with boys. It's cold. It's cold right now. CN Tower. CN Tower.
Like last year. I saw the CN Tower. Wait, look, look, the CN Tower all the way over there. Well, wait, doesn't it run over there?
Kind of chilly now.
It does 1 finger long, 2 finger long.
턱이 안 보여라, 니신들. Water is calm.
Wait, can I go on stone?
대다시 그랬다. 수원 정구를 셨죠?
What does jungle mean?
정구디 means라 코디여래. 코디 알지여래.
What does algae mean?
딱 아주 갈라 이러다 간데슬라
I'm gonna
그러는데.
run up this ramp very fast. Okay.
Look at.
Okay, so twin Phosas are hiding somewhere here. Can anybody spot them? I will zoom, okay? Anybody spot twin Phosas? They're hiding somewhere. Anybody? Okay, so I think we can give a hint, like make a small movement. Okay. ताकि माँ थियो ना मशीदा ठंडा तो गैस छिया यो मरदा या ने 1 2 3 लगरा बुलन थियो ओके 1 2 3 किसिंगे पे याको कैमोफ्लेज छिदा ससो कि थुलो कि छंडला
Enderman, look in there. Now go hide in the other bush.
no ta hide dick darling
Hiding there. Can I see the video though?
this go na the video gay thande da hanin ning jomo the scene da
What are all of those white stuff?
chiptu ya ma chiptu da son ma deepak di ming hare Jack
Jack Darling Park. But I'm gonna go to Baba.
ngai ra Jack Daniel la da just koi Jack Darling la ra ayo ama kukur okay good yeah kyo leaf is move chido Saramla I see you
Now?
okay ta janda dongbala sugu de cha denjo kaji su riru chise taddo
There was a tarantula.
oh really spider the okay sure already ta janda video jela ta 나는 어제 까매 get out 상한 저기디 엄마 개새들아 나저 인데라 치니 싸다 랩티 갑래 힙 되나라 다다라 서르기를 마신이 남라 탕무로 쳐서도 남라 탕물라 서르르르 치다 안키 찍라요 아니 찍라요 아 maybe like say something okay yeah bye 사람라 다 니야 돼 말이야마 꼬라게 아니 도라 범피 아유 디 타이어 도드 디 타이어 라이트 좀아르 호니 로쿠 뿌라 쳔데 가지고래 스핀 오 okay ready 1 2 3 yeah give it situation ki guyu ho raha
No, please do it better than that. I know you can do better.
okay give me a second ning jomo da sacha the problem with this place it's very pretty but in summer the park is not only like park is crowded the crowd isn't too bad because it's big but the parking is the problem Parking is headache, and a lot of people comes for the barbecue, and the barbecue stand, the spot with the barbecue stand is always like taken.
Now we didn't. Go.
The waterfront trail. Sure. 추웠다고. Trail map. 안다 키라. 미키로 그러다 허야. 말어. It's like it's not really like a hike, but nice trail. I don't know if it's because of the weather, but it's pretty quiet. The path is very long. I don't know where it ends, but it's beautiful. So they have this like kind of like station like stops. I think the one that we took was the first stop. Now this is the second one. That is station 4. This is the station 4.
不要找妈妈那边，先去找妈妈就在这边锅盖，知道吧？
There's one
这
way
边
over
就更
there.
远了，又更远了。
We're going this way.
这边去找妈妈那边。
Pretty big and like long trails. Yeah, they have like stations, different stations. It's pretty big. And like many ways. They're somewhere up front. Nice physical activity for family. Nice fresh air. It's been like 10 minutes. Trail this way, the shoe go road here. It's pretty long. Ninja. Shingles ninja. And sun is setting on us. All right. They have nice resting spot. Oh my lord, I thought this is the end, but actually I thought this was the end, but then it was actually a resting spot. Already. Oh my god. Pretty fall. Okay. The trail goes all the way there. Wow. Wow, so wow. My goodness, so pretty. You know, I think this location and this trail is ideal for people who are dating, who like just started dating like at the earlier phase. It's perfect for them. Very long trail. They can just like spend their time, talk to each other, and go for a long trail, long walk. Because when we're going this way, so we're going this way, and not this way already. Came from here. Because when me and Kesala, when we started dating, oh my God, we used to talk a lot. And then a lot of times we also walk around the block like for, I don't know, for a very long time. Walk, talk. Back then, there wasn't much, to be honest. Like back then, we didn't have cell phone. And yeah, I think later we started to eating out at restaurant and stuff. But at the earlier phase, I don't think both of us were maybe like not comfortable, but maybe like confident enough to go out and about. So this is perfect. Jack Darling Trail. 강바다 치에 남았으라. 서프라이즈 도지 쳤어. 트레일 조회지 메기야. 스웨락 슈 고래 그러더디. 빼야 보스시디. 군지라 계산 군지라 하시 점으로 쓰기더라. 가르다. 라슈 고야마. 거르게다. 보죠. 라슈 고에.
This is my rock! I threw it farther! Look at me, was I throwing? Biggest rock!
문.
I'm gonna hit it with the baseball bat. Can you throw the rock for farther?
보죠. 린첼라.
Oh, that dog!
칠레 린첼라. 라슈 고에 라슈. So, you know what I looked for? I found gatize ra nga gora ngi chik extra lemba gatize emba. So, and then one more thing, khari lagange. One more thing I got is this. The kharchelana ra. Marjut huye. This Narangi, some this chirashara. It's a little bit bigger than what I actually wanted, but I like how it's like tall enough for me to hold. Like Marza Tundu grip yora. Marza lana actually gokpada gaget dungiya. Dungi lugiya. Mena pugunz gagimindo chang do yana. So I'm gonna try this. Tande shendaji dil this chunga jarana lingi ra just in case. Mandina yang azu nazal chiyora. Pala chuzala yang kyan dira do maogede. Alrighty. So we had a nice day out with kids. They enjoyed it. They really liked it. Now on our way back, and they want to play a little bit more at the playground. So that's what. Actually, they're already there. See, they're already at the playground. So they'll play for a bit, and then we will head home. It's almost 6:30 p.m. Alrighty, thank you for watching. I love you.
So good.
So good.
Yeah.
무슨 바다다.
No way.
나 아주 옷 찼어. 대체무지니.
No, I want to play here way more.
Baba is cold. The king 캬구면 돼. 마시 킹이더라 파관이.
Jacket.
말에 킹주 move 치더라 아니 캬기요 말에. Baba still 되더라 아니 Baba 캬. Already.
Do some activities.
Downtown looks so pretty, but the phone doesn't really justify the beauty. My families are they're already in the car. They're already there. Already. Okay.